Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle ideas with beautiful haircut. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. Attractive, charming hair dye. An overall collection, very stylish and latest. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde, and beautiful ideas of funky colors of highlights with light base color, burgundy color highlights and ash color highlights, and so beautiful collection of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and very beautiful collection of different type of cut, layered, deep layered, step, and so attractive ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and spiky hairstyle, and many much more beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.